Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Subaru Outback. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, heated seats, front fog lights, lane departure warning, and much more. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Subaru's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 152-point inspection. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.